Guys, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're checking out this CCTV LED monitor, touch and screen. So let's go ahead and show you guys what you get inside the box. So guys, check it out. This is the monitor. And I'm gonna say it's actually pretty nice looking. This is gonna be a great monitor for custom do-it-yourself projects. Check that out, guys. So very nice. On the bottom you have your menu, power, auto, and different settings. And then underneath here you have your VGA port, you got a USB port, and your power supply. They also do give you a base for the monitor. So looks like it's gonna go in like this. It's actually pretty cool, I like that. You're just gonna put the bolt right through the bottom to hold it in place. They give you a CD. You get a USB to USB cable, a touch pen, manual, power cable, and then VGA to VGA cable. So very nice, guys. So far, so good. So guys, I'm personally turning this into a gaming monitor. Now I'm going to be customizing the VGA and everything. You know, most people are going to be using this for touchscreen monitor applications, a spare monitor on top of their laptop or computer or whatnot, but we're turning this into a gaming device. So what I'm doing is definitely way different than 90% of everyone's going to do. I just want to show you guys the capability of this thing, show you guys what all is possible with do-it-yourself, because it is a do-it-yourself screen and setup. As you see, we went ahead and we added and we customized this system. We built our own gaming system from this monitor. So here's the gameplay footage. I'm gonna be quiet so you guys can see the gameplay footage.